CHALTY Socolate. CHALTY Socolate. I'm going to call them CHALTY Socolates. So we've got experiment day. We're doing a chocolate infused candy. First time I've done it. Got a few little ideas that we're going to put together as hopefully a nice chocolate flavoured boiled sweet. Done a bit of research on application of chocolate. The chocolate with 54% Calabar chocolate. So we've melted that in the tank. We haven't temped it, so no need to temp it. We're just melting it, because if you temp it, there's no need. It's not going to set as a temped chocolate. Here I've cooked up 6 kilos of sugar base, sugar, glucose, water, and I've got a chocolate flavour using a half ratio to our normal flavour base. I don't want to overpower the sugar with chocolate flavour, but I need it to have a little deeper flavour. So basically what I'm going to do is going to mix that chocolate flavour in. It's a really yummy chocolate flavour. I think it's the same chocolate flavour that's used in Chiquitos, the old chewy chocolate people. So the next step, not applying the chocolate straight away. And I'm going to pop that thermometer back in, and what we want the candy to do is just recede in temperature from 160 down to about 120, 125. And then once it's at that temperature, Erica's going to help me pour the chocolate in, and then I'm going to whisk it, and then we're going to pour it. I've also got some salt. Now we don't want to add too much chocolate because I don't want to crystallize the sugar. Let's do it. Experimente. Chocolate in the candy. And just go a bit higher, Erica. Yeah. Yep. And go again. So that candy's quite thick. And that colour is chocolate. Yep. Alright, I reckon that's pretty good. Okay, so there's the chocolate in there. And just going to add that little bit of salt. Ooh, cool. And we'll just fold that salt into the mix. Lovely. Yeah, cool. So that's actually worked a lot better than I thought. There's no blooming in the candy, which is nice. A nice firm tackiness to it. Cooling it down further, slightly rolling it on the cool table. I want it to go through the machine quite firm. That is finished. Erica's broken those up. They look awesome. Oh my God. So no colour. No colours in these. This is natural, naturally brown from the chocolate and slight amber colour from the flavour as well. I'm excited. We both haven't had a taste yet, so let's have a taste in a second. So yeah, the chocolate it's a vegan chocolate. There's no butter. It's all cocoa solids, cocoa butter, and I think that has helped the absorption within the candy as well. Put the flavour in at 160. We let it settle down to about 130, 125, and then we whisked some chocolate in. I don't know the exact amount, but there's chocolate in there. All right, and salt. Okay, cool. Let's have a try. It's so smooth. Yeah, have a try. It's not chocolate. It's hard candy and it's chocolate. Sit on your palate for it to let the chocolate settle in. You can get the kick of the chocolate flavour, and the taste of the chocolate hits as well. It's really nice. It's really subtle, pretty smooth. That's pretty cool. I really like that. What do you reckon?
Caramelly.
Yeah, you already get sort of caramel tones in it. And chocolate by itself is a chocolate, so the bitter and the sweet of the sugar kind of work together quite well. And there it is. Chocolate chalty, chocolate salty pillows. Salty chocolate pillows. Cool. Chalty chocolate. Chalty chocolate. I'm going to call them chalty chocolates. Okay, a little bit of an extra add-on. I've got some organic cocoa powder, and we're going to sprinkle it with a bit of cocoa powder to give it a little bit of extra chocolate kick. Chalty chocolate. Chalty chocolate. The cocoa is also going to add just a nice puff to it. I already like that actually now. That's better. Now it looks more chocolatey. And how good are the lights? These lights are beautiful. It's exactly what we needed. There we go. Chalty chocolate. I've been wanting to do that forever. Nice.